If we look at these prior locations here, look at what happens after we get this unwind. You see what happens on the next candle after the unwind? Can you all agree what happens after the next candle, after the unwind here? You get this buy side pop candle. You see it? So we get an unwind here. What do we get on the next candle? A buy side pop on the next candle. Do you see it? Buy side pop on the next candle. Yes or no? Now, we didn't get it on this occasion. Obviously it's down there. So obviously we have to look at that one and wonder about the fact that we're probably going to retest the lows. And that was one of those examples where we did retest the lows. This is a great example of what we're seeing today. So we got a buy side pop here. So obviously that's very obviously going to be bullish going forward. So we're going to be buying following that. We got a buy side pop here the next day on that unwind. There's going to be a very good chance that the next day is going to be buy side following that as well. Simon, do you see it? You're the only one that's in the room just now, obviously. So do you see those trades? They're beautiful, aren't they? So there was only one trade there that gave us a retested low price, which was obviously this bad in here, right? This badge in here, but it still turned out to be a brilliant buy trade. So when I look at yesterday's buy side pop, well, let's deal with this one first because I forgot about this one. So there's another one. The unwind was huge, big solid upside. So we're going to be buying into that trade from that point onwards. And another massive upside profit. But what about this one? What about this one? Did we get a big buy side pop on this candle? Did we see that huge unwind on the next day? No, we didn't. So we're now expecting this to be very similar to one of these other days over here. We're expecting this to retest the lows. And because of that, we told you last night that that's what we would expect to see, is a retest of the lows before seeing what's going to happen next. And we told you this last night. So you had all this information before the day even began, and it gave you a chance to be sell side on these unwinds. You might say, did you? Yes, we did. 20 people even liked it. That's incredible, isn't it? 20 people even liked it. Look, 1 o'clock this morning, London time, S&P wasn't the usual surge on the unwind today. Care for a bottom line retest. That puts you into bear side business, doesn't it? It puts you into a mood to be a bit of bear side business here. So you're expecting it to it doesn't mean I'm bearish, by the way. The unwind tells me I'm probably not bearish. All of the unwinds tell me I'm not bearish, but I'm not bullish at high prices, right? I'm bullish at low prices. I am not, like we've seen over here, I am not bullish at high prices. So we can still play it, but we play it passively. We play it carefully. We play it passively at the bottom edges. We look for edges into these lows, and we look to buy into those stories. In our normal way, we will start seeing some buy side value coming in. Crazy stuff done well, isn't it? Crazy stuff done well.